know somebody has greatly affected everyone in the league when you just start hearing blatant lies from journeymen within the NBA that Steph Curry is one-dimensional. Okay, if that's where we're going now. Sure. Now, you may have been able to say this about his shoes in the past because, yes, they were mostly meant for on the court. In performance, you couldn't really finesse them off the court to wear in a lifestyle manner. I respect that. However, that's not the case, and I will prove it with the brand new Curry 4 FloTro because, yeah, you can wear these off the court. Okay, take the aesthetic of the Curry 4, mix that with the brand new tech available in the Curry 9, and you get, that's right, the Curry 4 FloTro. We get the standard white Curry box, the ever awesome and fun fluorescent print on there. As you can see, I went with the smallest size possible, which is a men's 7 or a women's 8.5, and they fit rather well. As you can see, I went with the retro pink and white colorway, and this is definitely an upgrade to me from the original Curry 4, so let's dive into it. Every brand has their name for the knit material they use. Under Armour titles theirs IntelliKnit. It provides a lot of stretch and comfort in a suede upper. You have the Under Armour logo on the back heel here, and then the Curry branding on the pull tab. The updated UA Flow technology provides insane bounce and traction. That's the big difference now for the Curry 4 FloTro. It will feature the Under Armour Flow technology, and that's amazing. That's what it should do when you get a retro. We should see updated tech, which we don't see with Jordan Brand a lot. Alright, so we have Curry on the actual front tab there for the tongue, and on the insole you see that lighter blue colorway that will read Curry and currybrand.com. The plate in the center of the sole provides a lot of stability. That is featured in a contrasting pink to the white flow technology you see. And overall, this shoe delivers, at least to me, better than any other pair by Curry and Under Armour for lifestyle. They're easy to put on the court, of course. You get tons of bounce. Again, no slip traction for great play.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit.
Everybody, it's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and the amount of Warriors and just Curry related things I've purchased since the start of the playoffs is wild. It's a lot. Yeah, we're gonna ignore the really high volume of stuff because I'm still riding this championship high, and I don't intend to come down until the start of next season. So, a brand new Curry 4 in the collection. Now, if you guys recall, I actually picked up one for like $25 on eBay not too long ago. Now, that was the Curry 4 Low in the Baja colorway, and if you're familiar with that shoe really kept you close to the court, which meant there wasn't tons of cushioning in it, but you can still of course get away with rocking it on the court. But then off the court, I really feel the 4 Low was one of the more wearable pairs off the court in terms of the Curry signature line, and that's a fair criticism, I think, of his pairs over time. I really don't see people rocking the 8s or the 9s off court. Like, I just don't. On court, absolutely. Not necessarily off the court. So when the 4 FloTro was really teased and thrown out there, and then we saw it on foot by Curry, I thought, okay, I can work with this, because I won't lie, with the profile, the fact that it's all, you know, you have this suede nubuck feel to it, I think, at least for me personally, it reminds me of like a 750 aesthetic, just because of how it swoops up the actual leg and the ankle. It has a lot of cushioning there in the midsole. So hey, caught my attention. Now, the difficulty, which colorway to go with. Do I go with pink? Do I go with black and gray? It was difficult. It was tough. I almost picked up Pied Air. I almost picked up black and gray. But I said, you know what? Let's be bold. But also the fact that Curry's signature colorways, if you recall them on court, it is the pink pair. Now, a lot of times he will select pink to pay respect to his mom. So shout out to Mama Curry. But then Lucky Lilac. And if you guys are, you know, not living under a rock, that colorway dropped on August 5th and it sold out immediately. And yeah, Curry's resell. Now I think that's mainly because he is fresh off of his 4th championship, and that was the pair, of course, he wore in every prolific performance that you could really recall during the playoffs. So I remember even an announcer kind of pointed that out, or a broadcaster pointed that out to him during a press conference, and he's like, man, I didn't even really pay attention to the fact that I was in purple shorts when, you know, all of these amazing, or the purple pair when all these amazing games happened. So naturally, the Lucky Lilac is the pair. It's the colorway that a lot of people are after. I didn't go for that because I already have the pink pair. They're literally still on foot. Really comfortable. I already had the pink pair, so I thought, you know what? I'm good. Let's just stick with these. But again, I appreciate the fact you can wear this off the court. So let's go ahead and take a look at these on foot, worn 3 different ways as well, and I'm gonna try something a little different here. You can absolutely let me know your thoughts below, but yeah, you can wear these off the court, and I fully intend to. Be mindful, the smallest size available for the Curry 4 FloTro is a men's 7 or women's 8.5, so unfortunately, much smaller sizes will not be able to go with the men's sizing, but quite possibly boys or grade school. I'm a true men's 6 to a 6.5, so the 7 works for me, provides a lot of toe room and comfort. I love that it's wider in the toe box area than a lot of other pairs, and the comfort. I truly give this an 8.5, maybe even a 9 out of 10 when it comes to the comfort of the Curry 4 FloTro on foot. Honestly, for me, it's the mix of the IntelliKnit material on the upper of the shoe, and then the bounce, the return of energy that you get from the actual flow technology that makes this an amazing pair to have on. Very comfortable. I intend to wear these quite a bit. Even though I'm rocking Night Night apparel, don't fall asleep just yet. On the left, we're keeping it basic, cozy, laid back. The Night Night Curry brand Shoe Palace hoodie in black, and then the Fear of God Essential sweats in dark heather oatmeal. Again, very basic, very simple. The middle is hands down my favorite, so I'm actually wearing Gymshark apparel cropped woven pants in the women's department. Absolutely love them. Wearing the Curry brand Night Night t-shirt in white and royal blue, and then the H&M hooded cardigan. And the final look, the Mitchell & Ness Curry t-shirt, bright and bold with his face right there on the front. The brand new Valiant Pursuit Summer 2 shorts in white, and my trophy hunting hat. Now, some of you may ask, hey, you know that he has an actual lifestyle pair, right? Yes, I do. He has a lifestyle model. Do you know the difficulty of making the decision between the 4 FloTro and the lifestyle model? I really actually like the aesthetic of this lifestyle model. So don't be surprised if you see one hit the channel. Not necessarily soon. Like, I don't have intentions of buying it in like the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but I am open to having that in the closet. I would imagine it's very comfortable on foot because it looks as if they said more. Like, how much of the flow technology do you want in here? More. Like, that's it. It really looks like that's what Curry and his designers said. So I think it would be great to have that, to just be able to throw on in either black or gray. I don't think it matters which one. And I know the 4 FloTro, first off, it's not going to be a style for everyone. Even if you choose to wear it on the court, you quite possibly won't wear it off the court. And I respect that. You need to do what works for you and your style. But listen, when it comes to me, I fully intend to rock these, and I like the fact that I can actually wear tapered pants with them, or something that allows more of that higher profile of the shoe to show, and you can still allow your socks to show as well. You guys were able to see that in the video. So that's all I got for you. We're still the champs, reigning, okay? He had his camp. You saw a little baby wolf out there getting his shots up, so life is good as a Warriors fan and a Curry fan, and you always know Clay is bae. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.